Hey guys, it's Shelly. Nice to see you guys. So it is summertime, yay! And it is my son's birthday. He is so excited. He's turning 7 this year and he has requested a Minecraft theme. Now my son's birthday is in the summer, which he doesn't get to celebrate with his friends because it's during summer break. So I try to go all out for him, and this year he requested a water bouncer and he requested deviled eggs. So I'm going to show you a few things of what I did for his birthday. I'm not going to go into too much depth of the food aspect. I am going to show you what I'm going to put out, but this is just to give you some inspiration for some easy, simple Minecraft ideas that you could do to throw in your own Minecraft birthday party. Okay guys, well let's get to work. Let's have some fun. So I made the mistake of having a McDonald's iced coffee on a Friday afternoon, and then I had a couple of Diet Cokes. So needless to say, the caffeine kept me up all night, and I literally got 0 hours and minutes of sleep. So if I look a little tired and I'm acting silly, that is why. Oh. Oh, that looks cool. Too bad it wasn't big, but it still looks cool. So there it is, guys, an easy and simple Minecraft candy table. There's so much candy on here. I tried to keep it somewhat similar to what they have on the Minecraft game. I was gonna put down some name cards too, but I just didn't have time to do it. But it all came out really good. The backdrop cost about $33 to make, so it's definitely budget friendly. Yo! Sit!
Where?
Down. So it's a tradition every time we get a bouncer, we go on the slide, we take the champagne bottle and we each
Take a sip.
take a sip and go down the slide! Woo!
I gotta say the bottle!
Take a sip of the champagne!
I did.
Okay.
Hold on, I need more.
Oh shoot.
That's just bubbly.
Woo woo woo!
Why is it so bubbly?
Because it's champagne!
Dude, I gotta freaking save this shit.
Come on. 1, 2,
It's a water coaster.
no, 3, go!
I gotta save the bottle. I'm gonna drop the bottle.
You're not gonna drop it. Woo! Woo!
I'm coming. Let me have it. You got it. Top on. Oh, it's cold.
Oh my God.
I'm not drunk, I swear. Okay, so for the night before, I marinated the chicken and the steak, and this is how I made my marinade. After you fully coat the chicken, let it marinate overnight, up to 24 hours. And you could also make extra sauce without the oil and put it on the stove and let it simmer until it thickens a little. If you want your chicken to be a little extra saucy, you can add that to your chicken after it's done grilling.
Come on, get the last one. Come on. He's all lightheaded. Yeah! Ah, there it is.
The kaboom didn't go off.
Come on, Christian.
Everybody gets close.
Everyone gets close.
That doesn't do it.
Lame.
There you go.
Boom. Ah, damn it.
Let him smell this.
Happy birthday, Christian. Your sparkler's already done?
Yeah, I didn't know.
Aww. Oh, so Christian got the sword and I missed the video. Did you get video?
I don't have my phone on inside.
So this is pretty much how we ended our night. Our friends surprised the kids with some sparklers. I had some glow-up balloons, but this was perfect. We all had a great time, and my son was just ecstatic about his birthday. He had a blast. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. And as always, please give me a like and share my video and subscribe if you're new. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.